Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to an app designed to help improve your online privacy and browsing experience. It's called HX Tunnel VPN. HX Tunnel VPN offers fast and stable servers, supports multiple connection protocols, and allows you to customize how you connect based on your needs. Whether you're looking to stay safer on public Wi-Fi or reduce lag while browsing, this app includes features worth exploring. Let's go through the step-by-step process of downloading, installing, and setting up HX Tunnel VPN on your Android device. Step-by-step installation guide. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top and type HX Tunnel VPN. Step 3. From the list of results, select HX Tunnel VPN. You can identify it by its unique VPN logo. Step 4. Tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 5. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Initial setup. Step 6. When you open the app for the first time, you may be prompted to allow notification access. This is completely optional. You can choose to allow or deny it based on your preference. Step 7. Ensure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on. The app may take a few seconds to update its server list. If it restarts automatically, that's normal. Step 8. On the home screen, you'll notice two main sections. One for choosing servers, one for selecting the connection protocol. These options help you set up the app in a way that fits your preferences and connection needs. Choosing servers and protocols. Step 9. Tap on the server section. Here, you'll find a list of server locations. Select a server based on what works best for your current region or connection type. Step 10. Next, tap on the Protocol or Tweak section. You'll see a list of built-in protocols. These are pre-configured to work with different types of internet connections. Step 11. If you're experienced and want more control, tap the Custom Settings option in the top right corner of the protocol screen. Step 12. You'll now see additional protocol options, such as Slowdns, V2RA, and SSL. These are designed for advanced use cases and may require extra configuration. If you're unsure, it's best to use the default settings provided. Step 13. Once you've selected a server and protocol, go back to the home screen and tap the large Start button. Within seconds, you should see a confirmation that you're connected. Your connection is now running through HX Tunnel VPN. And that's it! You've successfully set up HX Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications so you don't miss future tech guides and app reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe and secure online.